In this video, we listed the 5 best drones under $100 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Holy Stone HS110D. The Holy Stone HS110D just beats the $100 threshold but is the best budget drone you can find in this price range. With its compact dimensions of 12.6 by 12.6 by 4.6 inches and a weight of 5.2 ounces, it's perfect for travel and easily beats the 250-gram limit set by most countries for drone registration. It's easy to fly and is ideal for beginners, though small hands may struggle with the large controller. You can get the drone up to a reasonable speed, make quick turns, and do simple flips. You'll get around 8 minutes of flight time per battery, and the pack contains 2. The wide-angle FPV camera has a full HD resolution and a 120-degree FOV for capturing expansive land and cityscapes. However, video quality can appear blurry when the drone maneuvers, thanks to a lack of gimbal stabilization. There is also no tilt or pan, but beginners can use altitude hold mode to get steady shots. Newbies can also fly in headless mode, and the drone even offers voice and gesture controls through the Dirk FPV app. Number 2. Force1 UFO 3000. Although adult supervision is always recommended when it comes to flying drones, the Force1 UFO 3000 mini drone is the perfect toy for kids. It's super lightweight, measures just 5.5 by 5.5 inches, and features sturdy propeller guards, making it a good toy for indoor and outdoor use. It's also an excellent drone for flying after the sun goes down, thanks to the bright blue and green LED lights that kids will love to watch zipping around in the darkness. With altitude hold and headless mode, this mini drone is a cinch for children to control. They can easily keep the UFO hovering at a consistent height, and orientation is straightforward. Flips and tricks are also easy to perform, with 360-degree stunts executed by a simple button press. A one-key start and stop button also means kids can get straight down to piloting the drone right out of the box. Flight time is a standard 7 to 9 minutes, but the pack includes 2 batteries allowing for up to 18 minutes of aviation joy. Charging time can take up to 85 minutes, so purchasing a couple more batteries will ensure uninterrupted flying sessions. The similar UFO 4000 and UFO 5000 models offer different LED and trick options while also being priced under $100. Number 3. Potensic A20 Mini Drone. If you are looking for a drone at a rock-bottom price that you can hone your skills on or give to a child as a gift, the Potensic A20 is an excellent choice. It's a tiny little beast with dimensions of just 3.5 by 3.1 by 1.25 inches and weighs 190 grams. Operation is simple with one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and headless mode features. You can also effortlessly perform stunts with quick and simple button presses. Additionally, its 3 speed modes allow for progressive racing and performing as you hone your skills. The drone comes complete with propeller guards and an emergency stop button, while a helpful beeping alert notifies you when the battery is low, or when you've reached the 50-foot range limit. All this ensures the drone and any objects it encounters are safe from damage. However, the drone doesn't include a return home feature, so you will have to manually guide it back to position when the battery is on its way out. The package includes 3 batteries, each providing a flight time of 5 to 6 minutes for a total of up to 18 minutes. Recharging time falls within a reasonable range for this price point at 30 to 40 minutes, meaning you can get back to enjoying the drone without prolonged waiting periods. Number 4. SIMREX X500. For an entry-level drone that costs under $100, consider the SIMREX X500. Beginners and casual hobbyists can enjoy its budget-friendly price and its compact design. With its folded dimensions of 4.3 by 3.15 by 1.4 inches, it can fit into the palm of your hand. Furthermore, you won't feel its weight of 150 grams in your bag, and it beats the international drone registration threshold. While the 720p FPV Wi-Fi camera won't set the world of photography alight, you still get decent images. Photos and videos do lack clarity and detail, but for novices with the primary focus of learning to pilot, it's a fun and affordable choice. With a simple one-key takeoff and landing feature and 360-degree rolls, just a simple button press away, users can get straight into flying their drone right out of the box. With additional features like optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode, beginners can keep their drone steady in blustery conditions while maintaining a consistent height. Once you have familiarized yourself with the drone and are flying confidently, you can switch the speed mode to high. Additionally, gravity mode adds a lot of fun by enabling you to use your smartphone like a steering wheel. Number 5. Cheerwing Syma X5SW V3. Another excellent choice for newbies that retails at under $100 is the Cheerwing Syma X5SW V3. Made from durable ABS plastic, it offers easy control and stability. And, with dimensions of 12.4 by 12.4 by 4.1 inches and a weight of 119 grams, it's portable and meets the 250-gram registration threshold required by most countries, including the FAA in the US. It also features one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and 2 speed modes, ensuring novices to the world of drones can enjoy straight-out-of-the-box fun. Using the controller, you can perform simple one-button flips and tricks, while the Syma Geo app enables Wi-Fi control. With the quadcopter's built-in gravity sensor, you can control its movements by tilting or moving your mobile device. You can also plan out flight paths by marking waypoints on the app. The 720p camera is about as good as you can expect in this price range. It will take decent pictures in good light, and you can live stream to your phone. However, the 500 mAh battery only provides around 5 to 7 minutes of flight time with a charge time of 90 minutes to 2 hours. It might be wise to stock up on 1 or 2 spares, considering you don't get a second battery in the box.